Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering errors with the Walgreens app or having issues with prescription refills, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Open your device settings and go to the Apps or Applications menu. Find the Walgreens app and tap on it to access app-specific settings. Step 2. Select Storage or Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing errors. If issues continue, also clear app data. Step 3. Force. Stop the Walgreens app by tapping. Force Stop in your app settings. Then completely close it by swiping it away from your recent apps list. Step 4. Test your internet connection by opening a web browser or another app. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to rule out connectivity problems. Step 5. Check for app updates by opening your device's app store and searching for Walgreens. Install any available updates to ensure you have the latest bug fixes. Step 6. If prescription features aren't working, verify that your prescriptions are on file at Walgreens by calling your local store or checking your prescription history on walgreens.com. Step 7. As a last resort, uninstall the Walgreens app completely and reinstall it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Sign back in with your account credentials and test the prescription refill feature to confirm everything is working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.